Twinkie Bird. We got a shout out to those Colonial Beach boys. We're waiting on them to come up here. I think one showed up. I told them all I bought them some early Christmas gifts. My elf, bringing them on there. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, from the hose. Take them the hose.
Okay, first
What's
of
the
all,
drink for, baby?
this for my main man. What they call it?
Gotta be a Mustang, right?
Yeah, yellow Mustang. They call him, they call himself Slick Stain. We call him Shit Stain. Since his Mustang is broken, he can ride on this until he get ready. You know what I mean? He can ride on this. Okay? Now, we have something else.
Oh, we got something for the boys. Hold up.
Wait, no, baby, no. Let's stay on Shit Stain. Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, I do.
Hello.
Brought to you by Shit Stain. Depends. Always depend on it. Okay? Now we got that.
What's that gift for though?
That's for Shit Stain too.
He got two gifts?
Yeah, he got 2 gifts. He cried so much, he got 2.
Yeah, with a pole between his ass right here,
Yeah, we got some more in there for
Shit
him.
Stain, you got a lot of gifts, baby. All right, who we got next?
Hold up. Oh, no,
Look,
say it ain't so.
Oh, nah.
Oh, yes it
This
is.
must be that Afghanian motherfucker with that heavy ass tank.
Yes. Tricky, Slick Rick. That's what we got for you. Think of them 3 big guns you got. Pick up with them little boys. But we're going to run today. As long as you don't try to buy yourself out the race. Come and get it. I don't want to take these gifts home.
You might need this rubber, son.
Yeah, he did need some tires. We got some new belts on
Oh,
the floor, too.
man, look down here. Man, Santa Claus, man, good at these guys, man.
One more we got.
Man, look at them beautiful pumps right there.
Oh,
my
shit.
God. Hey, where they come from? Nordstrom.
These will go good with that.
Manolos.
These will go good with
You got
that.
some Manolos, man.
These
$5.
will go good with that black O. They call them small block. Well, he got a big heel on this, like 3 inches. We're gonna see if we can get down the track. If not, that's what he should have been wearing.
And don't think we'll give you 1 shoe.
We
get
get
the other
2.
one too.
Well, we got a couple more gifts.
Man, God damn, where you been at, man? Here's the motherfucker right here.
Here you go. This for my
This that
man.
howdy guy. That howdy doody dude.
This for Pete. He keeps saying I'm ducking him. I ain't ducking him. You never came to me in person to run. So if you don't come to me in person, I call you a clown. This is for Pete. Got all his colors in it.
Pete the Clown.
Pete the Clown. They scared to come up here, but they'll run everywhere else. We got 2 more gifts, and then we're gonna let y'all get out of here and see some racing.
Sit up,
Hey, put
there you
Pete
go,
right
Pete.
there.
There you go, Pete. Sit right there, Pete. Put the horse right there, look. There you go.
What else we got in there?
Can't put any pants on that motherfucking car. Hood right there.
No, that
So this guy got stains on it.
And we got off for my main man, Dirty Reds. Red top. Red top with that slow 632 or 540, 1 stage, big tie Chevy 2 Red Nova. I told this man, that I would pay for him to come to the track, his gas, and to get it at Hold On Parking Space. Do we show up?
Well, I think
No.
he said something. What did he say? What did he say?
I'm scared. That's all good. Sit up here with the rest of your buddy.
Yeah.
We got one more gift.
Hood.
Oh, bring that last one out.
Wonder Woman.
Oh, you know who that one
We
is
got the
for.
Wonder Woman suit.
This is for my main
Wonder
man,
Woman suit.
Little Mouse Radical Behavior. I told him he need to stay in school. I think this might be a little too big for him.
That's not Mighty Mouse, eh?
No, this is what we calling him today, Wonder Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
So bring that old big small block you got with all motor. I'm gonna run what I brought. But I brought you this too. So I think that's all the Christmas gifts.
Yeah, Santa's done,
Yeah,
baby.
well, Santa's done.
Ho, ho, ho.
The Colonial Beach boys, y'all supposed to be here tonight. Come on and see us. If not, we'll see you next year. Merry Christmas.